Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite unblocked at school. First, it's important to understand that school networks often block games for good reasons, like maintaining focus and conserving bandwidth. However, if you're looking for ways to access the game, we'll cover a few methods. We'll start by looking at how a virtual private network, or VPN, can help you bypass these restrictions, and then move on to other options. A virtual private network is a popular tool for bypassing network restrictions. When you use a VPN, your internet traffic is encrypted and routed through a server in a different location, making it appear as if you're browsing from there. This can effectively circumvent school firewalls. Remember to select a reputable service and install it beforehand, ensuring you connect to a server outside the school's network for the best results. Another excellent option is to utilize cloud gaming services. Platforms like GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming allow you to stream Fortnite directly to your device without needing to install the game locally. This means the school's network won't detect a game installation. You'll need a strong internet connection, ideally around 25 megabits per second, to ensure smooth, lag-free gameplay during your session. Before attempting any of these methods, it's crucial to consider the potential consequences. Schools have policies regarding network usage, and bypassing them could result in disciplinary action, such as loss of computer privileges or even suspension. While it might be tempting to play, remember that your education comes first. Always be mindful of your school's rules and use these methods responsibly, if at all.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.